They want to, yeah, wherever. What we have here today is a word. Mkporo. That's what I say. Mkporo means small. Just a word. Okay. Word. Ofu. This can stand on its own. Omo. When you say omo, it means children. Children. Nne, mother. But if you put them together, you get omonne, omonne. That's siblings. Then nwa, child. Nne, mother. You put them together, you see one, which means sibling. One is sibling, one, more than one, called omonne, siblings. Dibia. Di, we know, is husband. Bia. Come. Altogether, dibia. It means a particular word, dibia, which dibia means doctor. Dinta. Dinta di mama, dinta, yeah. Dinta, aranginaya muna gigebi. Dinta, aranginaya muna gigebi. Yes, that's what we have here. Dinta. D is husband. Nta. All together, we have dinta, which means hunter. Oda means sound. Ume, breathe. Oda ume, vowel. Go deep. Oda ume. Di mba. Di husband. Mba. Di mba. Restaurant. John Cena. Yes, is our number one popular restaurant that we know. Under the comment section, tell me 2 words that can be separated and that have different, when they are separated, they have different meaning, but when joined together, they also have one meaning. And tell me the meaning. Thank you.